Hi there, and welcome back to Honey Bear Ventures. This week, we share our little secret, this beautiful campground that's hard to track down. Thank you, Cody and Angela from Untethered, for giving us the clue into this little gem. Located in Apache Junction, Arizona, this campground is our kind of living. Mammoth Mine Campground is so popular, he doesn't even advertise. So, shh, let's keep it just between us.
Hey there, we are at the Mammoth Mine RV Campground in Apache Junction, Arizona, and I just had to show you what a beautiful night it is tonight. With the sun setting, the Superstition Mountains are absolutely stunning. So here at Mammoth Mine, there is also a rock shop and a stable. So we're going to show you around the rock shop, and we hear there's some great stories. It is such a beautiful day today, and we are at the Mammoth Mines Club and Campground, and we love it here. This is why we decided to do this. This is just perfect. It's a beautiful day. It's probably about 70 degrees today, and I am loving it here. It is just fabulous. And it is a gorgeous day here today. It is sunny and beautiful, and there's a light breeze. Absolutely gorgeous. Another lazy day in paradise, huh? Hey there, we wanted to show you what we got. We love it, so we just had to show you, and I'll leave a link below so that you can find it. We don't yet have an affiliate store on Amazon, but we'll link it below so that you can find it.
So you know where to get it.
So you know where to find it. So we got this cool tent. It's a Vivor. It looks like the clam tent, but it is less expensive, so we liked that. And what we really liked about this is it's 12 by 12, so there's lots of room for people to be inside, and it's pretty easy to set up. We set it up with the two of us. I think if you really worked at it, you could probably set it up alone.
Probably take about 10 minutes. You pull these, first thing you do, there's a tab up on top. These aren't set up yet. And you just pull this whole thing on up by those tabs, and then start popping these out all the way around. There's several tabs like that, and then you pull these on out all the way around, and then you go ahead and put all of your stakes in, and it really didn't take that long. It probably take you 10 minutes, 15 minutes to put up. And I was just looking on the inside, and there's tabs on the inside. You can just pull them out and do the reverse, and it looks like it just pulls right back on down again. So I'm really impressed because the quality seems to be really good. And so far, I mean, we've only had it up for 24 hours, maybe 24 hours.
Mm-hmm. And it was breezy and windy yesterday, and it stayed right in place.
We had our friends coming on over here, and we had dinner in here, and despite the wind and the cold, we stayed relatively warm inside the tent, and we even had these sides up. So
I was going to say, show the sides down.
So it's very easy to do. Just undo this, and then that's all there is to it. And here you have these Velcro on either side strips, and you just Velcro it back. So it could stop any wind coming through if it's cold or...
The great thing is you can close up the whole thing. So you can close all the sides down, and then there is a cover that goes over the top. So you can actually have the entire thing enclosed. And then the other thing that's really nice about this is it's got doors on either side. So if you want a breeze blowing through, you can actually have a breeze blowing through it. I chose this particular model because it has the screens on the top. So we figured when we're sitting out at night, we can look at the stars through that, but still have the protection from mosquitoes and a little bit of protection from the cool weather. And then I'm just gonna take you inside. So we're tall, we have to bend down to get in here. It's just so nice in here. I just wanted to show you how pretty our camp spot is and just how much we love this new little clam tent. So I mentioned before, it's a Vivor, but it's a clam style. And with just some lighting, I just think it's so pretty and it's so homey and cozy, and we just love it. So total transparency, I'm going to put a link to this tent in the description below. We are signing up for the Amazon affiliate program, so if you do use our link, we might get a little bit of a commission for that, but we won't share anything with you on our channel that we don't love, because I just don't think that's cool. So I just love this and I wanted to share it with you and just show you how cool it is. So I will share the link with you. But isn't this just so cozy? And this particular tent is 12 by 12 and will fit about 8 to 10 people without the table. Good morning. Well, I'm having a bit of a challenging day today. This morning we woke up and our solar shade was hanging about halfway down and would not go up any further. And we want to be able to move the bus, and it's right in Robert's vision. We know that there's a set screw that allows it to be limited. There's a limit screw for the up and down, and we think somehow it just got messed up. So we decided to, just for now, until we can get that fixed, we just decided to roll the shade over and get it high enough so that it's not in the way. In the process of doing that, I made a big boo-boo. And we have this cute little bear that I'll show you. He's behind me. This cute little guy right here. And he hangs over the edge, and he is heavy like a rock. He's very sturdy and heavy. And I knocked the bear. He hit my back, rolled down onto the front dash, and did this. And I can't believe I'm not crying right now, because that is a massive break in the windshield. So I have to look at figuring out, is it covered by insurance? I don't know if we have windshield coverage on the bus or not. If not, we know it's going to be expensive. So we'll let you know what we find out, and we'll let you know if you make a big boo-boo like I made, then what does that cost? So it's been a struggle. This month has just been a struggle. We've had so many things go south. We've had things not working, and Robert's had to fix stuff. It's just been one thing after another, and it's exhausting. So I thought I'd share with you. We told you we'll show you the good and the bad and the ugly, and I thought I'd share with you the ugly. So anyway, we'll see you soon.
After we got to Arizona, we contacted our insurance company to report the damage and find out if we had full glass coverage on the windshield. It turns out we did have glass coverage on the motorhome, so we did not have to pay out of pocket, and there was no deductible. Had we not had insurance on the windshield, we would have had to pay over $2,000 for that replacement. We are so glad that we chose to get glass coverage for the motorhome. And that cute little bear is now stuck down with museum putty. We have got window repair people here today because obviously this window has popped its seal. That is all in between the panes. So they'll be out here replacing that window today, but the great thing is if you run into that, this is a fixable issue. And check it out, the window looks so good. We are thrilled, they did a great job. So yeah, we have a clear window again, yay! We are headed to Serrano's Mexican restaurant and we are going on a date night.
At least we're gonna point that way.
Because Julie needs to put the instructions in the phone and get it connected so he knows where he's going.
That's right, or I just go that way.
We had a great night at Serrano's. Unfortunately, it was really loud in the restaurant, so we weren't able to get great sound quality. But if you're ever in the Mesa, Arizona area, Serrano's is great. We have so much more to show you that we discovered in Apache Junction. Check back next week as we continue to discover the mysteries of the Superstition Mountains. I am practicing my drone skills, so here's a few shots of the campground from the sky. And thank you for joining us this week. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.